और नहीं तो गौर नागरिकता बाद आ जाएगा।
This is all the worshipping of Gaura Gadadhar.
गौर नागरिकता बाद ना आ जाए, इसके ऊपर ध्यान देते ही
So we must focus on this, and acharyas are also explaining this.
गौर सुंदर
Gaura Sundar
कृष्ण है
is Krishna
और गदाधर
and Gadadhar
राधा है।
is Srimati Radhika, but yet
जो गौर सुंदर की
the
लीलाओं की पुष्टि करने के
to
लिए
complete the pastimes of Gaura Sundar,
राधा जी
Srimati Radhika herself
गदाधर के रूप में
manifest form of Gadadhar,
क्योंकि
because
गौर लीला की प्रकट करने के लिए
to manifest the Gaura Leela,
कृष्ण राधा जी के निकट जो है
Krishna in front of Srimati Radhika he requested.
वृंदावन
In transcendental Golok Vrindavan, Krishna told, he asked, "Oh Radhe,
और
Kali Yuga is about to
इस
come.
कलयुग में
In this Kali Yuga,
मैं एक सुंदर लीला प्रस्तुत करना चाहता
I have a desire to manifest a beautiful pastime. By that, the people of Kali Yuga, after taking darshan of this, remembering this, listening this, very easily, quickly, they will
हूं, मेरे धाम को प्राप्त कर।
attain my transcendental abode."
तो उस समय
At that time,
श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika asked,
हे श्याम सुंदर
"O Shama Sundar,
कौन सा लीला प्रकाश करना?
what is that pastime? What are you planning?"
कृष्ण ने कहा, देखो,
At that time, Krishna said, "Look,
दिव्य धाम है,
this transcendental dham is called
शतद्वीप धाम का।
Shetadvip Dham."
इस कथा सुनकर के राधा जी कहने,
After hearing this, Srimati Radhika said, "What is this Shetadvip
बोले,
Dham?"
देखो वह
So,
शतद्वीप धाम जो है,
Shetadvip Dham
वो ऐसे उदारजमय
is a
धाम
very beautiful dham.
वो उदारजमय धाम में सदियों की जो है
In that generous, it is a land of generosity and everyone is welcome there.
पापी तापी
It is a land of magnanimity. Even the biggest of sinners, qualified, unqualified, everyone, it is the gates of it are open for all.
और
And
उस
in that divine land, the ras that we both will do, that ras is called
संकीर्तन रास।
Sankirtan Ras, the divine melody of Sankirtan. Just as like when
धाम में वृंदावन में जैसे मैं रास
in this
करता हूं,
Dham Vrindavan I do Ras with the gopis.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
शतद्वीप धाम में जो
in
मैं
the
रास
Shetavit
करता
Dham, the Ras that I do, it is called Nama Sankirtan Ras.
हूं, उस रास में
In that
सभी
Ras,
लोगों की जो है
everyone
प्रवेश
is welcome in it.
स्त्री पुरुष
Men, women,
बेचारी सभी लोग
poor, rich, everyone can enter. This is called the Nama Sankirtan Ras. In Vrindavan,
रास है,
the Ras, it has
गोपियों की छोड़ करके और
oh,
किसी
it
की
gives only entry to the gopis. No one else can
गोपी
enter.
शरीर की जरूरत है।
Gopi's body is very, very necessary.
शरीर बिना
Without
वृंदावन
Gopi's
में
body,
रास में किसी की
you cannot enter the Vrindavan's Ras.
है कि नहीं? जैसे शिव
Right.
जी
So even Lord Shiva, he had to take form of a
वो भी
gopi.
प्रवेश करने के लिए प्रयास
He
किया,
tried to enter,
किंतु से भी
but he couldn't until he took a form of gopi.
क्योंकि वृंदावन रस में
Because
केवल स्त्री
in
शरीर
Vrindavan,
भी नहीं होगा।
even if you just have body of a woman, it won't work out. You need shelter of gopi, you have the mood of gopi, you have to learn from the gopis. But in Navadip Dham,
नाम संकीर्तन रास,
the Nama Sankirtan Ras,
नाम संकीर्तन
that are
रास
Nama
में
Sankirtan Ras,
सभी के प्रवेश।
everyone is allowed to enter. There is no restriction at all. After hearing this, Srimati Radhika became very pleased.
जे मैं इस रास में भी
She said, I also want to join you in that Ras.
तब इस कथा सुनकर के गौर सुंदर बोली,
Then Krishna said,
सब हमारे साथ चलो
okay, let's go
और वो शतद्वीप
and to the Shetadip Dham
वो नाम संकीर्तन रास
and let's perform the Nama Sankirtan Ras. Srimati Radhika was ready to come. In the meantime, Krishna said,
राधे
Radhe,
स्त्री वेश में नहीं,
not in form of a girl, you have to come in form of a male.
बोले क्यों?
Boy, why? She asked.
बोले मैं वृंदावन धाम में जो रास किया
The Vrindavan Dham, the Ras that I did,
उसमें अनेक लोग
many people are unqualified because they won't be able to understand about Ras.
ये सोचने लगे कि
They thought that this is just a play between men and women.
हमारी जो है ये
But this Ras
मधुर जो वस्तु
is so sweet, this is beyond gender.
जिससे अनेक लोग उसे क्या करते
Many people at that time started to put questions, started to criticize this act.
हैं। इसलिए
For this regard,
वो लोग भी वंचित हो गए।
they got rejected from my mercy.
किंतु हम नवद्वीप
But in Navadip Dham, I want to give mercy to all. So we will manifest Nama Sankirtan Ras. In that Ras,
सभी प्रवेश करें।
everyone will enter, each and everyone. For this regard, and without you, my any kind of Ras cannot be done. So Krishna is saying, without you, Rasa can never happen. Without Srimati Radhika, Rasa can never be complete. There are trillions of gopis in the Vrindavan, many gopis. But when Srimati Radhika left the Ras stopped. Srimati Radhika, she had man, and when she went away from Ras, then the Ras stopped. Satta-koti gopi. There are many gopis. 1 billion gopis. But only Srimati Radhika left the Ras without her presence. Because of Srimati Radhika was not present, so the Rasa stopped. This is the thing. For this regard, Krishna is saying, you may do anything, but without you, anything can't be complete. So for this regard, I request you, please come. Then Srimati Radhika, she became a bit stubborn, and she said, wherever there is no Yamuna, where there is no Giriraj, where there is no gopis, my cowherd boy and girls, I cannot go there. I don't want to go there. Then Krishna said, look, Radhe, in Vrindavan, whatever you are seeing, cows, cowherd boys, girls, Yamuna, Giriraj, Govardhan, each and everything I will manifest in the Setadeep Dham. Everything I will make appear there. At that time, Srimati Radhika agreed. But how to go? Srimati Radhika wants to go in female body. That is actually the form of Srimati Radhika. But Krishna said, in this Ras, you have to manifest form of a male. For this regard, after a lot of discussion, Srimati Radhika, she manifested in form of Gadadhar. And all these beautiful pastimes manifested the divine Nama Sankirtan. For this regard, worshipping Gaur Gadadhar, this is called the Bhav Marg Upasana. Scriptures, what is said, the mood is very important. So we must see Gadadhar in this form, in Bhav Marg. That Gadadhar, who is Gadadhar? Srimati Radhika. This is Bhav Marg, meaning the mood of, depending on our mood, the vision is coming. You are having this realization. For example, one person is in female form, but in reality, the transcendental consciousnal form might be in male form. And vice versa, a person is a male, but the transcendental consciousnal form could be female. So mood is like this. Nothing else. In Archan Vaidhi Marg, there are many rules, step by step, but in Rag Marg, it's natural, spontaneous coming. The worshipping of Mahaprabhu is for everyone, and it's coming in Vaidhi Marg. That's why he is also not putting peacock feather. He is Krishna. But second is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is accepting and showing us the mood of devotee. Angikar, who is the devotee? He embraced the mood of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is not wearing a peacock feather. See? So, Gaurasundar, why will he put peacock feather? Because he is with the mood of Srimati Radhika. That's why I'm saying, it is said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is absorbed in what mood? that I am Radha.
अपन आवे राधा भावे रहे अनुख्यान।
Always he is absorbed like this.
अपने आप सदा सर्वदा चैतन्य महाप्रभु।
Always
अपने को क्या सोच रहे हैं?
he is thinking, I am Radha.
ये है, इसे कहते हैं उपासना पद्धति में।
So in the process of worshipping, this is explained. Upasana Paddhati, the worshipping, that how to worship Gaura Sundar, this is coming like this. In Gaura Upasana, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this mood we must have towards him. The
भक्त भाव अंगीकार करके जो है संस्कृत है ना,
the Sanskrit shloka, that he have the mood of devotee. Which book? Bhakta Rupa Swarupam.
भक्त अवतारम,
Bhakta Avtaram.
नमामि भक्त शक्तिकम।
Namami Shaktikam.
ये पंच तत्व है।
This is Panch Tattva.
स्वयं कृष्ण ही
Krishna himself in all these 5 forms is manifesting. This is called inconceivable Veda undivided Tattva. He is Krishna,
भक्त की प्रधानता दे रहे हैं।
but the devotee, mood of devotee is primary, meaning
प्रधानता दे रहे हैं।
the mood of service is expressed primarily.
आज सेवक व सेविका के भाव,
The mood of service is like emphasized.
जो भाव
Mahaprabhu, the mood that he is teaching to us,
महाप्रभु के भाव में क्या दिखा रहा है?
what is he teaching? What is he showing?
सेवा
He is teaching the mood of service.
मैं सेवा ग्रहण करूं, सेव्य और
So this is the difference between like accepting service and doing service.
सेव्य, सेवक और सेवा।
Sevak, Seva and Seva.
महाप्रभु की विचार इसमें दिखा सदा सर्वदा।
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, always he is in the mood of servant.
उसी प्रकार गदाधर है
In the same way, Gadadhar is Radha Tattva, but
किंतु सदा सर्वदा
always
गौरसुंदर की सेवा में
serving Gaura Sundar.
और गौरसुंदर से कभी
And
अलग नहीं दिखा।
he never separated from Gaura Sundar. The Navdeep Dham Leelas.
नवदीप धाम जहाँ पर
Navdeep Dham, wherever Gaura Sundar was there Gadadhar was there. And wherever Gadadhar was there was God.
गौर गदाधर
So Gaura Gadadhar.
कौन?
So Gadadhar is Radha and Mahaprabhu is also Radha's mood, right? So what is this?
नहीं
Right?
वो
What are they
ये
saying?
जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु अपने को क्या सोच रहे
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha.
हैं? ये भाव रखते हैं।
This is the mood.
जब
When
चैतन्य महाप्रभु अपने राधा भाव
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in the mood of Srimati Radhika, at that time Gadadhar
वहाँ पर रहने पर भी वो थोड़ा
is present there,
अलग
but
होकर रहते
like yeah, he's a little bit far away at that moment.
हैं। ये विचार दिखाते हैं।
This is the thing explained. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
मैं
is
कृष्ण
thinking, I am Krishna, when have this mood,
गदाधर
Gadadhar,
सेवा आदि दिखाते
at that time Gadadhar is serving to him. For this regard, in Navadip Dham,
हैं। जितने भी लीला
all the leelas of Mahaprabhu,
कृष्ण भाव
Krishna,
को अधिक दिखाते हैं।
Krishna's mood is more at that time. When Krishna is like very, very mischievous, Nimai, little Nimai also is very, very mischievous. Beautiful childhood pastimes, just as like Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai performed. So because
दूसरी बात है,
second thing is that
ये नवद्वीप धाम
Navadip Dham is called,
different from
it's non-different from Vrindavan.
अभिन्न वृंदावन,
It's non-different from Vrindavan.
जहाँ पर अभिन्न वृंदावन होते हैं।
Wherever there is no, it's non-different from Vrindavan and Krishna's beautiful pastimes. And in the same way, Gaur Sundar also had beautiful times. Sometimes the mood of opulence they came
उसी जगह कभी कभी आ रहे हैं।
is coming. Sometimes, for example, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sometimes he is
भाव में
absorbed in the mood of Vishnu and he is doing
अभिष्ट होकर के
absorbed in the mood of Vishnu
घाट पर जो है
and he is
बैठ जाते हैं।
sitting on the
सबको
chair of Vishnu and then he is
कृपा अधिकारी
giving mercy to everyone,
वरदान दे रहे हैं, सबको वरदान।
giving benedictions to everyone.
देखो ये सब लीला अंतरंग लीलाओं की सब नहीं।
These are pastimes only for like
यहाँ
internal.
कभी चैतन्य महाप्रभु
They did not happen externally. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he got absorbed in mood of
दंपन करा
Rukmani.
ये तो है तो चैतन्य भागवत में है। चैतन्य भागवत रुक्मिणी भावे
In the mood of Rukmani, he is breastfeeding. In the mood of Rukmani, so these are internal pastimes. Antaranga. Mahaprabhu is saying,
कौन जितेंद्रिय है?
who is Jitendriya? Jitendriya means
Who can control it?
who can control his senses.
सब लोग डर गए।
Everyone became scared, afraid. Advaitacharya stepped back.
मेरे दाव समझ क्यों?
He said, I am not possible for me because who is Advaitacharya? Sadashiva.
सदाशिव तत्व और
Sadativa and Mahavishnu.
शिव जी भी कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है?
Lord Shiva also sometimes
कंफ्यूज हो जाता है।
gets confused.
शिव जी कंफ्यूज है कि नहीं?
He's getting confused or not. See, Mohini avatar pastime.
मोहिनी अवतार को देख
After seeing the Mohini form of Vishnu, even Lord Shiva got attracted.
है तो उसमें
It's written there.
के रूप में है तो उसमें अद्वैत आचार्य। इसलिए अद्वैत आचार्य
So Advaitacharya said, I have not won over my senses.
भगवान के स्मरण हो रहे हैं।
I'm remembering my past time once
देवता
when the demons and demigods, there was turning of ocean at that time.
अमृत मिला,
There was pot of nectar. Everyone was
अमृत चाहिए।
fighting for that.
भगवान विष्णु
Lord Vishnu at that time manifested form of Mohini,
मैं ही
and he said, I will
समान रूप में बांटे।
distribute equally to all.
इतने सुंदर रूप देख करके
After seeing the beautiful form of Mohini, the demons were looking.
आ सकते हैं। देवता लोग देवता
The demigods
भगवान ने किया कि अमृत
were given Amrit by Mohini, and then demons were not given the Amrit. For this regard, Lord Shiva, remembering this, at that time Lord Shiva was not there. So Lord Shiva said, your Mohini form was so beautiful, I want to take darshan of it.
भगवान विष्णु कहने लगे
Vishnu said, Shiva,
मेरे मोहिनी रूप को
my Mohini form, if someone takes darshan of it, then they will completely lose over the control of their senses. Shivji said, I have won over all my senses, no problem.
मैं आपको देखना चाहिए।
I want to see that darshan of that Mohini. Then Vishnu again he manifested form of Mohini,
और रूप धारण करते ही
and then simultaneously,
क्या बोले शिव जी के पत्नी जहाँ पर पार्वती भी बैठी थी।
and where Parvati was sitting, in front of that Mohini came, and Lord Shiva,
वहीं हो गया।
he attracted and started to run towards Mohini.
और इसी को सारे ब्रह्मांड में घुमाए। कौन?
And all Mohini ran through the whole universe, and Lord Shiva was running behind him. And then
इसलिए शिव जी
later they realized, so Advaitacharya is also saying,
मैं
I have not won over my senses.
ब्रह्मा जी से कहने लगे।
Brahma ji is saying,
ब्रह्मा जी भी कहने लगी मैं भी
he told, I have also not controlled my
मैं
senses.
अपने बेटी की संधा जी
My daughter
और
Sandha,
संधा को देख करके
after
मैं
seeing my
उनके
daughter,
पीछे
I
धावी
started to run behind her.
तो मैं भी
So I am also like this.
एक एक करके सब चले।
So each and everyone stepped back one by one.
उस समय गौर सुंदर
At that time, Korasundar said,
तो मैं ये लीला का किसके ऊपर दिखाऊं किसको?
so who will I show these beautiful pastimes to?
तब उस समय
At that time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave benedictions to everyone. He said, by my mercy all you are now
जितेंद्रिय हो।
qualified. Now you all will win over your senses.
यही तो महाप्रभु उदाहरण
This is the magnanimity of Mahaprabhu. See, in 1 second, made everyone qualified in 1 second. He made everyone Jitendriya. He made everyone win over their senses. Giving Mahaprabhu gifted the power to everyone to control their senses. Then Mahaprabhu is written, in form of Rukmini, he is taking breastfeed.
किसी लीला में है
In any other pastime, can you see like this?
कृष्ण लीला में
In Krishna Lila, Madhavendra Puripad
वो दूध पिलाया वो भी देख
was given milk, and then he went away after giving the milk.
नहीं पिलाया
He did not give the milk directly. He just handed over the milk
हमें दूध लेकर
in a pot
अरे बाबा बाबा
and said, Baba,
दूध को आप पी लेना
please drink this, I am going.
वो भी पिलाया नहीं
He did not feed it directly.
अरे अपने हाथ से पिला देते
He could have given the milk through his own hand, but he didn't do.
पी लेना था।
He just put it and he went away.
यहाँ तक नहीं हमको
But
पता है,
even
सनातन की भी कहा
the Rup Sanatan also,
खीर बनाई
Radhaji made kheer.
अपने हाथ से खीर खिला
Did she give by her own hand? No. She cooked and handed it over.
यदि करें
we compare
कृष्ण लीला और
the Krishna Leela and Srimati Radha Leela, if we both we see and then we put it towards Gaura Leela, so much difference is there. Srimati Radhika cooked the kheer with her own hands.
जी खीर बनाया
She cooked the kheer. But
खिलाया के बोले बाबा
did she give it by her own hand? No. Just she told, oh, you guys eat. But in Gaura Leela,
स्वयं जी के सब
himself, he's taking to everyone's mouth and giving it inside. This is the magnanimity of Mahaprabhu. That's why it's a Namo Mahavadanaya.
प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने
कृष्ण ने ना खुद बनाया ना खिलाया, राधा जी ने बनाया लेकिन खिलाया, महाप्रभु ने बनाया।
और
So
चैतन्य
Mahaprabhu is. What did Mahaprabhu do?
कृष्ण लीला में
In Krishna's pastime, Madhavendra Puri, he just gave milk to Madhavendra Puripala.
चलो दूध दोहन करके दे, कुछ भी
Okay, he took the milk and gave the milk. He said, okay, you take this milk.
भी लेना
And he went away.
अरे करके चले गए घर। और राधा जी के
And
यहाँ
Srimati Radhika here on the other side, she made efforts cooking,
खीर बनाया,
cooked sweet rice. She got rice, all the ingredients,
दूध लेकर के आई।
sugar,
यहाँ तक
milk,
बर्तन भी लेकर के आई।
even container. From where she brought, I don't know, but she brought.
वही पता है।
So she just like blows in a blink of an eye. She manifests everything.
या फूलों मजा बिरिंज जा पराग। अपार सिद्धि रिद्धि सत्पदांगुली नगे अदा करी सच्चे मन के बटराज। और राधा जी क्या कहते हैं?
Srimati Radhika,
बर्तन की कोई जरूरत नहीं,
she don't need to carry any containers. She don't need to carry any wood. Just she makes a blow and everything manifests. Whatever she wants.
क्या बोले पतीला,
She wants container to cook.
बर्तन भी आ गए
Everything came.
और
Everything. Fire also came.
उसे बना ले रहे,
Full kitchen came.
सोचे बना रही।
She cooking for many hours.
जब तक कथा चलते
Till the time the katha is going on, Srimati Radhika is cooking.
नख चंद्रमा की छटा से
From the effulgence of that is coming from that moon in her toes, that effulgence, with that everything manifests. So the main reason she was there was to listen the katha.
दोनों भक्त प्रेमी भक्त
Two Premi Bhaktas, when they meet and they discuss beautiful pastimes of God.
उस कथा को सुनने के
After
लिए
hear that, Srimati Radhika
बना रही
was cooking.
खीर बना करके चली।
Okay, she cooked. Did she feed the kheer? No.
बोलकर चली गई खाने।
She just said, oh, you eat please. Then she went away.
और गौर सुंदर के लीला में
And Gaura Sundar pastime,
देखो सब तो इसलिए रुक्मिणी बेच
he in form of Rukmini is giving breastfeed to everyone. See, like directly feeding everyone. See the magnanimity of Mahaprabhu. Thus you come under shelter of Mahaprabhu, surrender to Mahaprabhu.
अपने आप
Automatically you all will be able to control your senses.
इसलिए महाप्रभु की
That's why this is the magnanimity and magnificent nature of Mahaprabhu.
कृष्ण
Krishna pastime and Gaura Leela. This is the special thing about Gaura Leela, that so much magnificent and magnanimity is there. So all these pastimes only manifest in Navadip Dham, Gaura Leela, the land of Gaura. Understand?
इसलिए चैतन्य
For this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
भाव जो है
the mood is so deep
राधिकार भाव गंभीर
because it's the mood of Srimati Radhika.
गंभीर लीला कहा जाता है।
It's called Gambhir Leela, the Gambhira Leela.
तो जो आपने बताया
What is asking? You told about Nagrivad. What is that? So Gaur Nagrivad. What is Gaur Nagrikta? That I am Gaura, and that
उनके पत्नी ऐसे भावना है
and like having mood of male female. Gaur Nagrikavad like thinking I am Gaura,
जो लोग भाव क्रिया आदि दिखाते
and people are showing their moods like this.
गौर नागरिकता किसको कहा जाता
What is this Gaur Nagrikta? Like someone is thinking I am Mahaprabhu,
है
and
जो भाव के लिए दिखाते हैं
those who are showing the moods.
उसी कहा जाता है
This is called Gaur Nagrikta Bhav.
नागर उसी कहा जाता है पर पुरुष के प्रति आकर्षित
Nagar means to be attracted to another man, to be attracted to opposite gender. Thinking I'm woman, like attract towards man and man attracted towards woman. So basically being attracted to opposite gender means this nagarita, nagar.
इसकी समझिए गौर नागरिक कहते हैं।
Gaur Nagrit Katha.
नागर
This is
शब्द की अर्थ होता है
Nagar word means this,
कोई दूसरे के प्रति
to be attracted to the opposite gender.
आसक्त हो जाए। हाँ जी, इसी कहते हैं नागरिकता।
This is called Nagarikta Bhav.
प्रभु को मोर पंख खाते हैं।
इसलिए महाप्रभु के लिए कह रहे हैं कि महाप्रभु
So
मोर पंखा मत लगाओ।
some people they put peacock feather on Mahaprabhu, but
क्या होता है?
this is wrong.
डिस्टर्बेंस विघ्न आता है।
It is causing disturbance in the mood of Mahaprabhu. This is wrong.
महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
सब रह जाते हैं।
in which mood he is coming?
राधा जी के भाव।
He is in the mood of Srimati Radhika.
अनुपम।
Always he is absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always is absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. For this regard in Navadip Dham these pastimes are coming. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's starting from his childhood pastimes, all the pastimes that manifest.
कृष्ण लीला की इसे विशिष्ट दिखा।
Like starting point there is Krishna's pastime relevance. So like Krishna is very very mischievous during his childhood pastime. Similarly Nimai is also, when Nimai grew up slowly at that time
निमाई की वो क्या बोले चपलता जो धीरे कम होने
the Nimai's mischievous nature start to restlessness came down,
विद्या की जो है
and
वो ये दिखाया गया। विद्या
he started to study.
पांडित्य जो है दिखाया गया।
His scholarship, like his scholar intelligence
तो इसलिए पंडित लोग
came out, but other scholars couldn't realize his glories.
नवदीप धाम में
Mahaprabhu in Navadip,
पांडित्य के द्वारा
with his
बड़े बड़े
knowledge,
क्या करते
he used to defeat big scholars.
हैं ये दिखा रहे। फिर
Then
महाप्रभु के आगे जाकर के ये लीला-
moving further, Mahaprabhu's pastimes are coming when he came back from Gaya.
गया हुई थी आशी निमाई चलाई विपरीत। जब चैतन्य
It was
महाप्रभु
completely
गया
changed
मिले,
when he went to
बात
Gaya,
मिले।
when he met with Ishwar Puripal
दीक्षा मंत्रा दी।
after receiving initiation, Diksha
और लेकर के
mantras,
महाप्रभु
and then
का बिल्कुल क्या हुआ?
Mahaprabhu's mood completely changed.
वो चपलता चंचलता
His restlessness,
है, विद्या की जो
everything.
क्या बोले पंडित की जो गरिमा
and the ego that he had for his knowledge, everything went down,
जो
everything
बड़े बड़े
gone away.
पंडितों के जो मुझे पछाड़
He
किया।
used to defeat big scholars. Keshav Kashmiri,
बड़े बड़े पंडितों को
big
भी
scholars defeated.
है, किंतु गया से
But
आने के बाद
when he
चैतन्य
came back from
महाप्रभु-
Gaya, Mahaprabhu's mood was completely changed.
है, महाप्रभु कहने लगे हम आज
Mahaprabhu said, now I won't teach anyone.
है, बोले एक ही
He
पढ़ना
said,
है, क्या बोले?
I just, if you want to study something, just to read the letter Krishna, read the word Krishna, nothing else. This is complete education. So
यहीं पर से
devotee is asking, did he manifest the mood of Srimati Radhika at that time? Guru is saying, no, it is the starting point of the mood manifestation. Every day chanting holy names, Krishna, Krishna,
और कुछ नहीं।
nothing else. Just this was the essence of his life.
नाम करते
Mahaprabhu sometimes chanting holy names,
के दर्शन कर
he was taking darshan of Krishna, and then
निकले जा रहे
he was running to catch Krishna.
हैं। देखो कैसे
See, very beautiful. At that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, the mind is thinking, I am Radha and now I have to catch Krishna.
और कृष्ण के पकड़ने के लिए चले
And he's running to catch Krishna, and then Krishna also
इंगित करते हुए है,
giving signal
बुलाते हुए
like, come here,
उनके
and he's running, and Mahaprabhu is running behind him, and then Mahaprabhu,
अंतर्ध्यान हो गए।
Krishna disappeared and then he fainted.
ये भाव दिखाते हैं।
So beautiful moods like this are manifesting.
श्लोक कहाँ पे आता है?
Where this slok is coming,
ब्रजेंद्र
ये तो गंभीरा की लीला है।
गंभीरा की लीला।
that
राम और प्रणाम मुरली
the slok is in Gambhira Leela.
ये सब निकलता है। इसलिए इसके बाद चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
और
and he took sannyas, and then
जगन्नाथपुरी में आए।
he came to Jagannath Puri,
ये भाव
and so many modes manifested. The Gaur Leela is so special, and he's giving mercy to everyone.
नमो
Namo Mahavadanaya.
प्रेम प्रदाय कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरक्ति से स्वयं गौर तीसरा माने
Gaurati Sami,
complexion
complexion, the fair complexion.
गौर अंग कांति लेकर के गौर
with fair complexion,
यानी राधा जी की
meaning the complexion of Srimati Radhika, its Gaura color means fair,
कृष्ण वर्ण को क्या कर दिया
and it completely covered the color of Krishna.
है तो कृष्ण वो,
Krishna is inside, but
किंतु
it is covered with the complexion of Srimati Radhika.
भावों के द्वारा अपने को ढके दिया।
It's covered with the mood and complexion of Srimati Radhika.
लोग समझने नहीं दिया,
He didn't let people know,
क्योंकि ये
because in Kali Yuga
सबको क्या देना है, प्रेम प्रदान।
he has to give prem to everyone.
जो प्रेम कृष्ण लीला में प्रदान नहीं किया,
That prem he didn't give in Krishna's pastimes, and in Gaura's pastime he is giving to everyone indiscriminately.
महाराज सरकार का यदि गौरंग नहीं था,
If Gauranga had not come, then what would have happened? How would we have survived? Who would have expressed the highest limit of love of Srimati Radhika?
राधारु महिमा
The glories of Srimati Radhika
और प्रेम की सीमा,
and the highest limit of divine love,
मादन
meaning Mahadrakya Mahabhav, the highest limit.
क्रिया जो है कहाँ तक होता है,
Where is it? Where is the highest limit? Who knows?
यदि गौरंग नहीं
That's
तो
why this is coming.
तो केमने धरि तामदे राधारो महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगते जाना तो ये जगत को प्रकट करना।
So this pastime was very important to manifest. The Madhakya Bhav of Srimati Radhika.
महाप्रभु के पहले किसी ने नहीं बताया,
No one told about it before Mahaprabhu.
यहाँ तो भी
Even
बंगाल की
in
जितनी
Bengal,
बड़ी-बड़ी कवि हुई, जिसके
the
नाम
big
आता है
poets, the name are coming, Vidyapati, Chandidas.
उन्होंने केवल सखी भाव को प्रकट कर
They just express the mood of Sakhis. Lalita, Vishakha, moods they expressed in their poems, in their writings. But
ललिता विशाख की भाव कहाँ तक पहुँचती,
Lalita Vishakha's limit is still only
मोहन तक पहुँचा,
till Mohan.
मोहन
Mohan. That is the limit of their
मोहन के
mood.
आगे का जो
And beyond that,
मदनाक्ष महाभाव जो है,
Madhanakya
वो राधा
Mahabhav,
जी की भाव है।
that is only the mood of Srimati Radhika.
इसलिए वो मदनाक्ष महाभाव
So this regard, Madhanakya Mahabhav,
प्रकट नहीं करा,
no one told about it before.
जिसमें मिलन में विरह की अनुभूति है, विरह में
Feeling separation in meeting and meeting in
और ये
separation.
मिलन विरह एक
And
ही
meeting and separation, both together,
आकर के एक संदेश रूप धारण,
they come and together and manifest a very beautiful divine form.
जैसे
Just as like
दूध के जरिए गर्म कर दिया जाए,
if you heat
जब
milk,
उबालने लगे ऊपर से
when the
नीचे
milk
नीचे
boils is going up down,
तो प्रेम की
तो
ऐसे एक घूर्णावर्त का है।
such a beautiful whirlpool of divine
प्रेम
love
की एक क्या
manifest.
रहता है? घूर्णावर्त जो।
A whirlpool of prema
ना
manifest.
तो रमन ना हम रमन,
I am the enjoyer or am I the enjoy?
एक तो कह रहे हैं राय रमन दो
Rai Ramanand,
सकृत जो कीर्तन किया, ना तो
he
रमन
sang this kirtan.
आई एम एंजॉयर,
Am I the enjoyer or the enjoy?
दू हम पेश लो एक लो जान है? जैसे उदाहरण दिया जाता
Example is coming.
है, ये गंधक होते हैं, गंधक
Gandhak,
और चुना जो है
and
उसके एक साथ में टेस्ट करके
like if you mix these two ingredients,
कज्जल बन जाता है,
glue,
काला हो जाता है।
the glue from a
गंधक
tree,
समझते कि नहीं?
Gandhak,
एक प्रकार का एक
it's a kind of a glue that comes from a tree and it's very very fragrant.
गंधक का
It's called Gandhak.
है? वो क्या बोले आग में देने से गंधक
If you
आता है,
put that in fire,
जिसे कहते हैं गुगुल,
it's called Gugul.
है?
Like
गंध आता है।
a glue comes from
एक
tree.
प्रकार पेड़ के गोंद निकलता है।
It comes from a tree.
जब हम लोग हवन करते हैं ना,
When we do fire
हवन
sacrifice,
सामग्री में
in one of the
होता है,
ingredients is that.
है? वो इधर ब्राउन कलर होता है,
It's brown in color.
और जब ये आग में दो ना बहुत
And when you put in fire, then beautiful smell comes.
जिस प्रकार
So just as like you gandha, if you mix that with the
एक साथ में मिला करके जरिए फिर गर्म करते
tuna, if you mix it and you heat it up,
आग में वो क्या हो जाता है,
what happens?
काला हो जाता है,
It becomes black, it becomes kajal.
तो उसमें ना गंधक की दिखाई पड़ता है,
So at that time you cannot see, you cannot identify the ingredients that were used. Tuna is white in color. I need a phone.
और चुना समझते पान में
हाँ, जो पान में लगता है पहले वाइट वॉश में, वाइट
And whitewash they're using.
है? वो सफेद भी नहीं रहता है
They're
और
not white
वो
and not black.
ब्राउन कलर भी नहीं रहता है, और दोनों एक ही मिल करके क्या
both of them mix and they
तीसरी वस्तु बन जाता है।
can transform into another element.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What is the meaning?
गौर और श्याम,
Gaura and Sham and Gaur, meaning the Radha and Krishna, meaning Radha and Krishna.
ऐसे एक स्थिति बताने जा
Such a stage of Radha and Krishna comes.
दोनों मिल करके ऐसे एक सुंदर रूप धारण किया, उसे वर्णन करना।
Both of them combined, they
इसे कहते हैं
form
नाम तो रमण
the
नाम
very
रमण।
beautiful form.
रूहों पेश वाला एक
So
कलर
Chuna is limestone powder.
जाना। मैं रमण हूँ कि रमणी?
Am I the enjoyer or the enjoyer?
और एंजॉई। प्रेम की ऐसी स्थिति जब हो जाता है,
When such stage of prem comes, it's called like they forget their own identity.
अपने आप को भूल जाता है।
अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं। महाभाव की जो 6 लक्षण जो बताए,
The 6 symptoms of Mahabhav.
सिम्टम ऑफ
6 symptoms of Mahabhav.
क्षणत्ते कल्पत्ते क्षण तिजोग जोनि प्रति लालसा ब्रह्मांडोत्सवकारी
Brahmanda Chavakarita. Atma Vismaran, forgetting their own identity, wanting to become an animal. So these symptoms of Mahabhav are coming. Did you write them or not? You are hearing really, you are not writing.
क्षणत्ते कल्पत्ते
Sanatte Kalpata.
एक क्षण
Like 1 second
विरह होने पर विच्छेद होने पर
of separation from Krishna
लगता है कि कल्प हम कृष्ण से
feels like trillions of yugas have passed by.
सुनना है जगत सर्वं गोविंदम विरहेणम गोविंद से क्षण काल
41 second if we are separated from
विच्छेद
Krishna.
होने से
That 1 second feels like a lot of yugas, a lot of ages.
राधा कृष्ण के साथ
Radha and Krishna,
हर समय मिलन हो रहा है।
they are together all the time. Just for 1 second, little bit separation comes.
कृष्ण
Then
को चारण के ले गए,
Krishna went for cow herding, and the gopis, with an excuse,
उनके साथ नहीं जा रही,
they are going with Krishna.
गोपियां जा रही है।
They are going with Krishna in cow herding.
तो वो जाने के जितने
So-
समय तो समय जो व्यवधान जो है,
The obstacle that came in middle, like a few seconds, the time difference,
गोपियों के हृदय में
that
क्या होता है?
amount of time, so much separation manifests in the heart of gopis. For this regard, Yogaita Niveshanam, like the blink of an eye, the time that it takes to blink an eye, in that time,
गोपियों की विरह जो है
the gopis' separation that they feel is intolerable for them,
सहन नहीं होता।
completely intolerable.
देख
See,
मिलन में
so in meeting,
विरह और विरह में मिलन।
there is separation in meeting and meeting in separation.
क्षणत्ते कल्पत्ते। रास लीला गोपियों के साथ कृष्ण के साथ रास लीला कितने समय में?
So Krishna Ras Leela,
ताप ब्रह्म रात्र का
for how much time it happened?
ये रात्र
Ta Brahmaratra,
रात्रि शब्द रात्र शब्द हो रहा है।
the word night,
इतने ब्रह्मांड के रात्रि
like
नहीं,
not one, lot of nights of Brahma,
रात्रि
a lot of nights of Brahma,
है, बहुवचन कर रहे हैं।
many nights, the plural word is used, and the gopis and Krishna are meeting like this. In Srimad Bhagavat, from chapter 29 to chapter 33, this Rasa Leela is explained, and at the end,
अध्याय में अर्थात 33
the last chapter, in the 33 chapter, again the Ras is explained.
उस समय वर्णन हो रहा है।
At that time, it is also explained
इतने
that
समय तक
for
गोपियों के साथ कृष्ण के साथ रास लीला हो रहे हैं।
gopis and Krishna are,
रात के हैं,
what is Ras? Ras is the dancing, performing, divine pastimes, making jokes, laughing.
आनंद की लहरियां जहाँ पर
The
चलती हैं,
beautiful waves of bliss are coming.
इतने सुंदर चलती है।
Very beautiful.
किंतु तथापि गोपियां
But
क्या करें?
the gopis,
कृष्ण के छोड़ करके जाना नहीं चाहते।
they don't want to leave Krishna and go. In Srimad Bhagavat it is coming.
अंत में कृष्ण ने अनुमोदित
At the end, Krishna Anumodita, meaning
केवल जाओ,
Krishna said to gopis, go,
है, आप लोग गृह में लौट।
return to your houses. He said,
इसलिए कहते हैं, कृष्ण ने अनुमोदित अनंतर कृष्ण अनुमोदन करने पर
when Krishna said,
गोपियां
then gopis, they
छोड़ कर दिया।
went to their houses, but
अलग होना नहीं चाहते।
they did not want to go actually.
इसलिए ये करें कितने
So,
कितने हजारों साल कृष्ण
for
की
thousands of years, the Ras Leela is going on. Ita Brahma Ratri, meaning one night of Brahma. Can you imagine? Not even one, many nights of Brahma. Ras Leela is going on, and gopis are saying that it's only 1 second.
विरह की काल जो है समय
The separation mode, the time is never ending.
समय कटता नहीं है.
समय कटता नहीं
The time looks like huge. When sadness, pain come in life, it feels like the time is very long. See, the time is the same, but it feels like it's so big. The time is not ending. It feels like,
रात नहीं काटता
and we feel like the night is not just passing by. Gurudev used to say, one person
क्या बोले गले में जो
had some
कफ जम जाता है
cough in the person.
सांस नहीं दे पा रहे
They are unable to breathe because of cough. They are about to die.
वो रात 12 बजे
At 12 o'clock at night,
वो डॉक्टर के पास
we went to
जाना
doctor.
आजकल तो उसमें तो टेलीफोन नहीं था
That time telephones were not there, ambulances were not there, so everything was far away from villages. So it was so much hard to breathe for that person. And then the people of the family member, they said, you wait early in the morning, then we will take you to the doctor.
आज जो हम जो देख रहे
Today what we are seeing
सुविधा हो गई.
50 साल 60 साल
is
पहले
50 or 60 years ago, these arrangements were not there, especially towards in the village areas.
ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है
There was no electricity, nothing, no transportation.
पैदल पैदल लोग जाना पड़ता
People used to walk a lot.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या बोले
They just had bullock carts.
लेकर के जा
That's
तो
it.
रात्रि अंधकार में कैसे ले
So at night, how will that person go to the doctor? So the family member said, "You look,
कम से कम प्रभात होने तक
you wait till the morning. Please be patient till the morning."
बहुत ज्यादा रात 12 बजी है
So it was 12 o'clock at night. He was looking at the clock. Every second he's looking at the clock. Oh, it's 12:30 now. Oh, only half an hour passed. And he was thinking, like the night is just not ending. He's just looking at the clock.
एक ही समय चल रहे हैं
He's looking at the clock.
क्यों तो लग रहे हैं
The time is not stopping, like it's flowing as it usually does. But in the sadness, he's not able to
2
realize.
बजे
Then he saw 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2:30. He's like, oh my god, night is not ending at all. The time has stopped or something. So see, it's like at the time of pain and sadness, it feels like this. The time is just not passing by.
और सुख के समय
And
क्या
during happiness,
पता ही नहीं
time passes by so quickly. You won't even know. Many days will pass. So,
उसी प्रकार देखिए,
in the same way, gopis,
कृष्ण से बिछोड़ होने से
in separation for even 1 second, if they are separated,
उसके वो लोग क्या सोचते
they are thinking,
कितने जो कृष्ण
so many yogas, we have not met Krishna.
ये तो कहते हैं। कृष्ण गोवत्स चारण के
Krishna went for cow herding.
और गोपियां भी
The gopis,
किसी न किसी बहाने से
they made an excuse and they went behind Krishna.
देर नहीं कर दिया
There's not so much time difference, but the little bit of time difference, that the time that they take to make excuse like this, so they are feeling so much separation.
जो मैं ऐसे
Yog Maya is arranging everything like
फिर
this.
कृष्ण 4 बजे
Then 4 o'clock.
शाम को 4 बजे शाम को
Evening.
4 बजे तक गोपियां क्या
Till that time, gopis, what do?
मिले
They meet with Krishna,
अथवा
whether by excuse to worship sun, like Nauka Vilas playing in boat, many pastimes in Braj. Meeting with Krishna.
4 बजे कृष्ण जब
When 4 o'clock, Krishna had to go back. The gopis,
2 सेकंड पहले पहुंच
2 seconds before, gopis returned.
किंतु उतने
But
समय
for
गोपियों
those
के
2
बीच
seconds,
व्यवस्था नहीं हुई।
the separation is intolerable for gopis. So, for this regard, in the transcendental Golok Vrindavan,
इसमें दूर विच्छेद नहीं दिखा दूर समझ लो
Dur means
मथुरा
दूरगत
like there is not a lot of like distant separation. So Mathura like was close to Vrindavan, right?
निकट प्रवास दिखा
So like residence was close by, not too far.
प्रवास समझते कि नहीं
Pravas, understand or not? Pravas, what is it?
दूसरी जगह पे जाओ.
अपने प्रियजन अपने स्थान को छोड़ करके दूसरे स्थान पे जाना ही इसकी प्रवास है।
Pravas means your beloved leaving one place and going to another place.
अपने स्थान को छोड़ करके
Leaving
दूसरी जगह
one
पे
place and
जाना।
going to another place. This thing is called pravas.
आज
Understand? Just understand this.
गोपियों
Gopis,
गोपियों के कृष्ण की प्रवास क्या है
What is the Krishna
कृष्ण
pravas?
बोले गोचारने के लिए जाते
Krishna is going for cow herding.
जैसे कृष्ण भोजन आदि किया।
Like Krishna, he ate something early in the morning.
माँ जसोदा गोपाल की
Mother Yashoda beautifully
कराया।
cooked something for Krishna and then he ate.
गोप वेश बना दी।
Then he dressed, Mother Yashoda dressed him up.
गोपाल
Then Gopal
चलने लगे। गोपाल
went
सखाओं के साथ चलने।
with his
उस
friends.
समय गोपियाँ क्या कर रही हैं?
At that time, what are gopis are doing?
गोपियाँ सब कृष्ण दर्शन लालसा।
They are so much curious to take darshan of Krishna.
क्या करते हैं? कृष्ण जिस रास्ते पर
They are thinking, today where Krishna will pass by through, all the gopis, they
खड़ी हो जाए।
arrive there and they stand waiting for him. Someone is hiding behind a tree
गोविंद के दर्शन
and peeking through and taking darshan of Krishna.
गोविंद नयनो उत्सवम।
Govinda Nayana Utsavam, it's like a festival of eyes.
गोपियाँ अपने
So,
नयन उत्सव मना रहे हैं।
gopis are celebrating a festival of eyes. How? By taking darshan of
गोविंद
Govinda.
के दर्शन करके अपने नयन को जगह
Taking darshan of Govinda, they are celebrating a huge festival in their eyes actually.
गोविंद दर्शन इतने आनंद।
There's so much bliss in taking darshan of Govinda.
इस जगत में कोई
In this material world, if we see something, what do we see?
एक बार देखने के बाद दूसरी बार देखने
We see something once, we don't want to see it again, right?
किंतु भगवान में
But
क्या है? नवनवायन।
God, Navanavayan, is always ever fresh, youthful form. That's why there is so much bliss in taking his darshan. In Govind darshan, why is there so much bliss? Why?
नए नए रूप में कृष्ण प्रकट होते
Because Krishna is always appearing in ever fresh, youthful, new youthful forms. He's manifesting ever fresh, new. Every day is coming in new form. In this world, not possible.
हैं। इस जगत में सभी कालाधीन है। Do you understand?
Because everything is
सब समय के अधीन।
everything is happening with
इस
time.
जगत में तीन काल रहता है सिर्फ।
There are three
भूतकाल,
three
वर्तमान
three
काल और
time, like past, present and future.
अच्छी जगत में
Transcendental world, there is only one time cycle, that is
वर्तमान काल।
eternally present time. Eternally present time. Present continuous tense is there.
प्रेजेंट
Present continuous tense.
नित्य वर्तमान।
Eternally it's manifested. Okay, खा रहा है.
नित्य वर्तमान कर रहे हैं गोविंद।
Eternally.
गोविंद की दर्शन में
And to take darshan of Govinda, every day is manifesting ever fresh, new youthful forms.
गोविंद दर्शन में इतना आनंद होता
That's why there is so much bliss in taking darshan of Govinda.
है। इसलिए गोपियाँ क्या करती
So
हैं?
gopis,
लाइक
they're always curious to take darshan of Govinda.
इसलिए कि आप
So,
इसलिए कर रहे
I'm saying this
हैं,
because-
उस जगत में जो हम जो कह रहे हैं
कल्प क्षण के समान
So in that world,
जो कल्प होता है
नहीं वो जो बता रहे हैं निकट प्रवास दिखाते हैं।
Nikat Pravas is coming. Like the lover went to another place, but that place was not far away.
प्रवास में जैसे कृष्ण वृंदावन से
Like Krishna went from Vrindavan to Mathura, then Mathura to Dwarka,
द्वारका से कुरुक्षेत्र,
Dwarka to Kurukshetra, then
फिर मथुरा,
back to Mathura, then
अब मथुरा में आकर के कृष्ण दंतवक्र की बात
he came to Mathura and then he killed Dantavakra. After that,
जमुना पार करके
Krishna crossed the Yamuna and then he
वृंदावन में पधारे।
entered Vrindavan with gopis. He performed divine amorous pastimes.
पश्चात
And then
कृष्ण समस्त गोपियों की
Krishna, he,
और ब्रजवासी को लेकर के नित्य धाम
with all the Brajvasis and with all his associates, he went back to his world. But in Bhagavad, not so much is
द्वारिका
explained.
लीला के समाप्त
It ends at the Dwarka Leela.
वृंदावन लीला,
Vrindavan Leela, Mathura Leela, Dwarka Leela, Kurukshetra Leela, little bit explained, and then
अंतर्ध्यान लीला
अंतर्ध्यान लीला,
the disappearance Leela of Krishna. They are saying.
बाकी लीला
और बाकी दूसरी
And the other pastimes are explained in other scriptures.
कृष्ण वृंदावन लीला के
That Krishna, when he went to Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarka, then Kurukshetra, after everything, Krishna again
मथुरा में
went to Mathura.
मथुरा में आकर के वहाँ पर दंतवक्र के
Then
वध किया।
first he killed Dantavakra.
ये वध में नहीं है इसमें भागवतम में
In Bhagavatam it's not there. No.
वध कथा है दर्शन में।
Dantavakra is killed in Dwarka Leela and as per Srimad Bhagavatam, but in another Puran it is said that Krishna killed Dantavakra in Mathura.
दंतवक्र के वध करके बाद
After killing Dantavakra, Krishna, he
और जमुना पार करके वृंदावन
crossed Yamuna and he entered Vrindavan. And when he came to Vrindavan, he met with gopis. He performed ras.
करके फिर
And then he
नित्य धाम
went back to his transcendental abode with everyone.
तो ये दूर प्रवास से पकड़ लीला में
हैं?
दूर प्रवास सिर्फ प्रकट लीला में है।
ये दिखा रहे हैं अब प्रकट
So,
गोलोक वृंदावन
in
धाम में
transcendental
दूर
Golok
प्रवास
Vrindavan, this Dur Pravas is not there, like lover leaving one place to another place. Just this is the thing, Krishna is going for cow herding, even that gopis can well tolerate. Like Krishna is going for cow herding. In the transcendental world, it is like this.
सुन्नादे जगतम सर्वम गोविंदम विरहेन कृष्ण की विरह
The separation of Krishna, to tolerate separation from Krishna, it's not possible for gopis to tolerate. To bear the separation, it's impossible.
साधारण बात नहीं कौन समझे
Who will understand this? This is very, very deep thing that I'm saying. Anatya Kalpatta.
तिर्जक जनी प्राप्ति लालसा
Tirjak Joni Prapti Lalsa. Tirjak Yoni means they want to become an animal.
पशु पक्षी होकर के जन्म
They're
लेने के
thinking
लिए
to become bird animal.
ये समस्त विशिष्ट राधा आदि गोपियां के
Radha and gopis, they are praying,
हिरण होकर के हमारे जन्म
please let us become a deer.
पशु जनी अच्छा है कि मनुष्य जनी
Is it good to be animal or human? You tell me.
मनुष्य जनी अच्छा है
Human is good, right?
हैं? आ गए वो स्त्री हो पुरुष हो
Whether be man, woman, at least human can come in the temple.
आई कि नहीं
True or not?
यदि हिरण होकर के आपने कुत्ते
If a deer or dog comes, then
मंदिर से भगा दे जाएगा
the priest will say, oh, get away, get away, get away. Animals won't be allowed in temple.
प्रवेश निषेध है कि नहीं
Dogs are forbidden in temple or not?
कुत्ता के चित्र लगा के उसमें
They put a cross that pets not allowed.
नोट अलाउड हैं आप बताओ
They put like this.
अरे कम से कम स्त्री होकर के
At least be woman, man, and you're coming in temple, right?
कुत्ते जनी होते
If you become a dog, then how will you come to temple?
हिरण जनी होते
You are a deer. So for this regard,
कार्य अन्ना
Listen.
मुर्गत हिरण नहीं था
Gopi.
जानन पत्र चित्र वेशम आकर्ण वेणु रणितं सकृष्ण सारा पूजा ददम गुरुचय प्रणया बोलो कोई राधा जी तो कार्य
Radha ji is saying,
पूर्व रागवती श्रीमती राधिका
absorbed in Purvarag, she is saying, Sakhi, look, this deer is animal, but yet he is more fortunate than us.
गोविंद की वेणुध्वनि सुनते
After hearing the sound of flute of Krishna, the male and female deer both,
हमारे प्राणगंत गोविंद के सानिध्य
they are close to Govinda, they are near him.
धन्नात्म मुर्गत
So how extremely fortunate they are.
पत्र विचित्र वेशम आकर्ण वेणु रणितं कृष्ण सारा पूजा ददम गुरुचय प्रणया बोलो कोई हैं आइए महाराज जी हैं महाराज जी अरे नीचे अरे ना ना अरे बोल गुरु भाई इसलिए
धनस्य मुड़गत्ते हिरण्यता
जान अनुपात विचित्र वेशम
धनंगत विचित्र विषमाकर्ण विनुरणितम सह कृष्ण सारा.
इसलिए राधा जी ये श्लोक राधा जी शंकर है
This slok is directly recited by Srimati Radhika.
और हिरण्य के
This male and female deer see their fortune.
पशु जनी होकर भी अपने प्राण
They are animals, but yet see their curiosity for darshan, and they are close to Krishna.
हम लोग स्त्री होकर के हम
We are women. What can we do?
और किसी के रोकथाम नहीं है
No obstacle is there. No one is stopping the animals to go to Krishna.
पशु जनी
No one is stopping the deer to go to Krishna. Acharyas are explaining.
सुबल सुदाम के साथ कृष्ण जब जाते
When Subal Sridham Krishna is going, the gopis, they are expressing their mood.
हैं यदि विधि हमें सुबल सुदाम अर्थात पुरुष शरीर देते कृष्ण के साथ हम लोग भी चले
So gopis are thinking, if we had male body, then we would have gone with Krishna. We are women, that's why we are distant from Krishna. Otherwise, just like Subal Sridham, we would have been with Krishna. Beautiful kirtan is also coming for this.
इसलिए
For this regard,
हम जो करें
what I'm saying is, Durgat Pravas is not in the transcendental world. Nikat Gat means like lover is leaving and going to another place, but it's very, very close. In transcendental world,
निकट प्रवास को दिखाया दूरगत प्रवास को नहीं दिखाया
the Durgat Pravas is not in there.
कलकत्ते करना तिर्जक जनी प्राप्ति लालसा
Tirjak Joni Prapti Lalsa,
ब्रह्मांड छवकारिता
Brahmanda Chavakarita.
जब राधा जी
When
जब कृष्ण
Srimati Radhika is feeling so much separation from Krishna,
समस्त ब्रह्मांड के
not one, the trillions of universe tremble.
जैसे उदाहरण दिया
Example is coming.
जैसे वो इससे जो लावा निकलते हैं,
when a lava comes from volcano
जल महासमुद्र में
in a huge ocean,
वो ज्वालामुखी फट जाता है,
like the nearby the huge volcano blasts,
जो लावा जब
and the lava, when it hot lava, when it lava,
जब समुद्र के जल में जाता है,
when it touches the water of ocean, the water becomes so hot and it evaporates simultaneously. You won't be able to understand this.
फिर जल को भी क्या कर देते हैं,
It completely evaporates the
तो
water.
उसी प्रकार कृष्ण
So, in separation of Krishna, this is coming. Such pain and such burn.
ब्रह्मांड छवकारी
Brahmanda Chavakarita.
समस्त जीवों की प्राणी समुदाय के सबको ऐसे की भावना,
Everyone in the universe, they tremble when Srimati Radhika
राधा जी कृष्ण
feels separation. When Radha ji is in so much separation of Krishna, everyone's heart is like this.
आप समझ रहे हैं, चैतन्य
We're
महाप्रभु
thinking Mahaprabhu's pastime, and you can see this.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in everyone's heart, he's
जिसको चैतन्य
putting love in everyone's heart. Who took darshan of Mahaprabhu? Everyone's heart, in everyone's heart, prema manifested. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
विशेष करके जगन्नाथ लीला में,
especially in Jagannath Puri Leela,
महाप्रभु जब जगन्नाथ जी के दर्शन
when Mahaprabhu he started to dance
महाप्रभु के आंखों से आंसू
in front of Jagannath, the tears started to flow from his eyes, and
स्नान कर रहे हैं,
everyone was
हमारे आंखों में कितने आंसू
absorbed in the. Everyone was wet because of tears. Do we have so much tears? How long you can cry? 4 seconds, 5 seconds, you will drop tears, and more you will not cry. Your tears will dry up. And Mahaprabhu,
देखो आंखों आंसू की तरह
with his tears, everyone was wet. It's like a rain of his tears. So
वहाँ पर एक गड्ढा था,
there was a
आंसू की तरह वो गड्ढे की
hole in the ground nearby, and that hole in the ground was filled with water. It was filled with the tears of Mahaprabhu.
और सब जीवों की हृदय में इस भाव को
And he's giving these moods to everyone. Brahmanda Chavkarita.
आत्मविस्मरण,
Atma Vismaran. Mahaprabhu is saying,
मैं क्या वही है,
who am I?
मैं
Why am I?
मैं कृष्ण हूँ ना, मैं
Am I Krishna or am I Gaura? Or
स्मरण कर आत्म
like completely forgetting the identity. Who am I?
इसलिए कहते हैं ना सो रमन ना सो रमन,
Am I the enjoyer or am I the enjoyee? Who am I? Such is the level of prem. Who can express?
जैसे उदाहरण दें,
Example is coming. Gandhak
चुना को
and this limestone powder. If
खरीद करके लिए
you can buy and mix it.
और थोड़ा सा चुना,
Buy this limestone powder and you mix this glue from tree and you put it, mix it and heat it.
कुछ समय के बाद देखोगे
After some time, it will mix and it will become kajal.
अरे
Manifest a completely different
तो
form.
प्रेम की ऐसी स्थितियां बनी।
So, prema
ये महाभारत
ये समझते जो आप
is like this.
आज तक किसी ने नहीं देखा नहीं,
Even till now, no one has seen this, realized this. The Mahaprabhu's pastimes are like this.
इसलिए कहते हैं
This is the depth of his pastime. If someone can understand Krishna's pastime, they may be able to understand. But to understand Gaura's pastime is extremely hard.
बहुत सुंदर की और इतने गिलास मधुर,
Gaura Sundar Leelas are so sweet.
बोलो सचिन
Sajan Gaur Hari ki jai.
और हमारे सब कुशल है,
हम महाराज
अभी कहाँ विराजमान है? हाँ? अच्छा वो गिरधारी कोने के पास ही पास वहाँ पर सब कितने पूरा जगह पूरा नहीं है? नहीं आप लोग कितने जाते हैं?